Welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. Today is the football, the
Super Bowl.
The Super Bowl, and I am making corn tortillas, and I'm gonna put them in the oven. What do you call this, Michael?
Loaded nachos.
Loaded nachos. That's right. That's right. And these are those borders on the go, and it has a little hint of lime, as you can see up there. And what I'm doing is I bought, as you can see, I bought a can of Goya black beans, which I put them in here. I rinse them off with water. You see they're draining. They're almost done. They've been drained like for 20 minutes. And I got a couple of cans of refried beans. What I did was I took them out. I put them in this Tupperware bowl and put the Tupperware bowl in the microwave. And I heated this up for like four minutes, okay? And now I'm taking some of the bean like this, as you can see, and just putting some around all the chips that we have here, because you have to. And we're gonna load them up. The reason why they're called loaded nachos is because you put all kinds of stuff on it.
That's right.
From cheese to beans,
Jalapenos.
to jalapenos. Sour cream.
Oh yeah.
You can put ground beef.
Whatever you want.
What else? We're gonna put a lot of stuff on all of this.
That's right.
And okay, so this is like the first layer of chips. The only reason why it's like this is because I wanted to, you know, go ahead and what do you call that, Michael? And put a little bit of this bean on all of them. And then after we have all that bean on all of them, we're gonna take some of this meat that I cooked here. This is ground beef, and I cook it and season it Spanish style, like Mexican style, Puerto Rican style, Cuban style, Dominican style, which it was seasoned with salt and pepper, oregano, garlic, so a little can of tomato sauce. So you see, because you have the meat like this, it's gonna get, see, that's what I'm talking about. We're gonna put it all over the place. As you can see, that's our first layer. And then after we do that, what else are we gonna put in there, Mike? We're gonna put some of these black beans around like this, guys. See? Just some of them like that. We're gonna put them all over. And then we're gonna throw some of these jalapenos, right, Mike?
That's right.
And I also got sour cream. The sour cream is in the fridge, and the only reason why I haven't put it out here is because we don't have to put it out not until they come out of the oven.
That's
right, Mike?
right.
That's right. And this is one more here. I'm gonna go like that. One there. You can put all kinds of stuff. You can even put, let me tell you right now, you can put avocado. I have some avocado that I cut here, but I'm just eating it. Eh? Michael, why you keep on looking at me like that, like I'm doing something wrong? I don't know what's up with you. But anyways, okay. So now we're gonna put queso. Here we are, right? We're gonna put queso on top of all this. Eh? Just like that. You want that to be nice and melt, right? And you want me to put another thing on the top? And now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do the same thing like this, but we're gonna do another coat just like the one we did. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish this by myself here, and when I come back, they will be all filled just like the first layer that we put in the bottom, and then we'll put it in the oven, okay? So keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be right back like in 3 minutes. Thanks for watching, guys. Almost finished with this other layer. So guess what I'm gonna be doing now?
Putting cheese.
I'm gonna put cheese on that, and we're gonna throw that where, Michael? In the oven. That's right. You can also put black olives or green olives. My husband is the only one that likes those olives here, and me. So I don't want to put any of it because I know how these guys are. And then we have the sour cream after we serve it on the top. I'm gonna put some sour cream, and now we're gonna put this big, huge tray of nachos with cheese, jalapenos, ground beef, black beans, and refried beans in the oven for like 15 minutes. We're gonna keep an eye on it, on and off. And here we go. And don't forget to subscribe, and we'll be right back in 15 minutes to serve and eat some delicious nachos for the football today, which is, what is it today? The
Super Bowl.
The Super Bowl. Sorry, guys. I know I kind of like forget all the time. But as I'm always doing stuff here in the kitchen and moving around. Love you all. We'll be right back. Don't forget to subscribe. So it's been like 5 minutes. What do you think, Mike? Get it out?
Wow.
That's ready to come out. Yep. So here we go.
Careful,
Taking them
Mama.
out, and this is
Be
your
careful,
natural
be
platter.
careful.
It's delicious for everybody to eat.
Oh, wow.
Put it over there. Watch, your football game is going to be starting in 17 minutes. We have devil eggs, we have nachos, and what else do we have? I'll be cooking all kinds of stuff all day. We already had eggs, we had ham this morning, we had bacon, we had pancakes in this house. I mean, we've been cooking all kinds of stuff in this house. You made bagels, Michael. Michael even made bagels this morning. But we have delicious nachos here. Be careful, Michael. This is very, very hot. I want you guys to look at it. I'm going to take a plate. And before doesn't go here and serve my husband his amount of nachos that he likes. Let me take one of these spoons. Right, Mike? And, oh, wow. Look at that, Mike. Mmm. Oh, I know your dad is going to love this. Oh,
Scoop it up, scoop it up.
How you scoop?
Don't burn yourself.
I'm not. Okay. Look at that. Like, look at that. Just like that. These are for your dad. They're beautiful. And that's about it, guys. So these are your nachos with your cheese, with your jalapenos, with your beans. I mean, you know what I'm saying? I mean, what else can you want or not want here? I'm going to have a little piece of this one that has the bean, because I like the ones with the bean on it. You see? Look at this. Oh. You know what's good about this? It makes you full. Like it makes you full for a long time because of the beans. So with that, guys, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. You know what to do. Like us on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, on YouTube, on Pinterest, on Instagram. Now, Patreon if you want to donate $1. If not, don't drink and drive. Make your nachos at home. Have a great time with your family and friends watching the game, with throwing down some brewskis. And love you all and see you again soon for another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. Thanks for watching, guys.